LG washer machine. I got WM3570 HVA. Got an issue with water coming out of this thing. Spraying underneath there. So I'm gonna do this. Just push it back a little bit and it pops off. This is the one that goes to that. Good job, man. So basically we're gonna undo. That should move freely. This is in here. This is supposed to shoot up to block when the soap and water is coming up. It's not allowing it to go out and around it because this raises up to cup here, and only air can go out. But if this gets stuck down because of grime, well, now when the water shoots out from down in there, this won't raise up with the pressure. So then the water just shoots out and goes out this tube and sprays everywhere. So you can clean it up. Applying a lubricant. See how free that moves now?